Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video we'll reveal day 14 of the Wera advent calendar. Last time we opened the number 5 hex bit. Now let's see what's behind number 14 as we move through the numbers 1 to 24, which represent the days in December before Christmas. And we have the number 1 Phillips 1 by 50. Now, don't forget to tune into the next video to reveal number 15. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on Your Home Garage.